Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate live captions in Android 14. So here, if you want to enable the live caption, you can just go to the settings on your phone and then just scroll down until you find the shortcut and accessibility settings. Scroll down again and then tap on the accessibility, and in here if you scroll down there will be this live caption, so you can just click on this. And here live captions can detect speech on your device and automatically generate caption. So if you want to use this, you need to enable this by clicking on the circle like this, and you can just click on get it. Here you can go adjust it more, so you can choose the language. I'm going to go with English, for example. Here you can also adjust the caption preferences like caption size, style, and also the color. So this is how the caption will look like. Not going to change this. I'm not going to change it. So this is also the profanity will be replaced with asterisk symbol. So if you want to activate it, you can just click on this dots, and you can also show the sound labels like louder, applause, and music. And you can also adjust the live captions in volume control in here. So at the bottom there will be explanation on how you can use live caption. So to move the caption, you can just touch and hold and drag up or down, and to expand the caption you can just double tap on them. Then keep in mind that live caption increases battery usage. So if you want to save your battery, you need to disable this feature. And all audio captions and type responses during calls and process are processed on your device. They're never sent to Google. Song lyrics aren't captioned. So that's pretty much it. That is the live caption feature on Android 14. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.